Hey, go ahead, livers. In this video, we'll be discussing about get orders for workflows. We have to install it first. We are on the agency lab right now. You can find for the app marketplace here and search in get orders. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation. Right now, we will be just using our specific sub account that is Wombasta Test. Continue with that. And in a moment it will be installed. As you can see, now head towards the sub account. You can see it from here as well. Type in the sub account. Our sub account level, and we had to head towards the automations to create a workflow and to check on what value is being provided by get orders for workflows. You can find for the automation from here. Create a workflow, start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder, and let's just find for get orders. This is the action that can be used into your workflows to create your own automations. You can use your creativity. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.